So I got this hilarious email from a prospective coaching client, a CPA coaching client of mine. And he said to me, he'd finished reading the Accountant Success Formula book, and he had gotten a copy from me, and he'd finished reading it, and he said, "Okay, Eric, I'm done. I've had enough. I want to make this tax season my farewell tour, like my farewell tour. I never want to have to go through another shitty tax season again." I thought, this is good. I like farewell tours, because I've got my musical equipment. I see my daughter's little pink ukulele down there, and I've got the bass and guitars, and I play in a heavy metal band. So I love the idea of a tour, like a farewell tour. Like, this could be the last shitty tax season you ever have to go through. And so that got me into thinking about some CPAs that were also, like, say they're older and you're in their twilights and you're going through another shitty tax season, and you're just like, you can't wait to get out. You can't wait to sell your practice and get out and just say, this is my farewell tour. Either you're farewell, you never want to do this again, and you want to shift to the Accountant Success Formula model so you never go through another shitty tax season, or you're looking to be like, you're going to sell it and be done, be over, finished with, right? And so if you're going to sell your practice, you want to maximize the value. So when you're looking at maximizing the value, what is the key driver in any business and any valuation of any business? Cash flow. Cash flow, number one, end stop, full story. Two companies that have the same revenue model, say two accounting firms, both have $1 million of revenue, but one has a consistent revenue cash flow every single month, same amount, boom, 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 all the way through, versus the other company or the other firm that has cash flow, goes tax season, boom, and then summer, drop, and then up and down and up and down. So which company is going to be worth more? Think about it. The one that has consistent, smoothed out cash flow. So if you're thinking about selling your practice and you're going into your last tax season, this is going to be your farewell tour and you've had enough and you're going to sell the practice, it still makes sense to update it and shift over to a subscription-based model, like a value pricing model that I teach in the Accountant Success Formula, because you will maximize the value of your firm on exit. So you could be like the Rolling Stones, which of course the Rolling Stones are doing another tour. So I don't know when they're ever going to do a proper farewell tour. But if they would do it on a high note and be able to sell at peak price, right? But they keep coming back over and over again. It kind of reminds me of accountants. So like old accountants never die. They just smell that way. They never go away. They just keep working till ever and ever and ever. But that's another time for another video. If you're going to sell your practice, and this is going to be your farewell tour, you never have to go through another shitty tax season, you're going to exit, think about shifting the model over so you can maximize the value on exit. If you're not looking to exit and you still want to get away and you've had enough of these shitty tax seasons, let me know. Reach out to me as well. Let's shift over to the Accountant Success Formula model. Let's make this your farewell tour. And Tim, you know who I'm talking about because it was Tim that sent me the email on this, and I just love it. This is his farewell tour. He does not have to go through another shitty tax season. This is the last one he'll have to go through, because after this, he's going to shift over to the Accountant Success Formula model, smoothed out cash flow, maximize his revenues, not go through another shitty tax season. So looking forward to that. Anyways, I'm Eric Solbeck, and wherever you're watching this, please scroll down, leave me a comment, and stay tuned for more success tips to come.